I am in the kitchen because it's dinner time, and I figured that I would just bring you all along with me to make calzones with our leftover baguette dough that's back there. So yeah, we're having calzones tonight, and I'm using my leftover baguette dough. So I figured I would bring you guys along with me. So right now I have some garlic infused olive oil heating up in the pan, and I'm gonna put some peppers, onions, and we had meatball subs last night, so some leftover like chopped up meatballs, and kind of warm them before I put it inside the calzone. But yeah, gotta roll out my dough, which is not gonna be easy, so you guys can watch me struggle through that. And yeah, that's what we're doing tonight. So just come with me, all right? I'm just gonna heat that up just a little bit to get it warm before I put it inside the calzone. There's my dough it's been like in the fridge for 3 days, maybe 4. So I'm just gonna flour it up so I can even like handle it. Ugh. I won't lie, watching me roll this out is going to be probably pretty painful. I am not good at making pizza shaped dough at all. So maybe I'll just speed through it. Okay, so I kind of just rolled it out off camera because it's just like painful to watch. So first thing I'm gonna do is add cheese, I think. I'm gonna add some cheese as like a base layer, maybe. This is what I do a lot. I just like wing things. I'm like, oh, I want to make whatever, calzones. And I just do it like this. So, got the cheese down. Now I'm not sure how much of this mix I'm gonna add because it's kind of a lot, but probably like a good amount. It's probably good. Just winging it with Linnea. That's what you're all doing if you made it this far. Okay, that looks nice. Now I'm gonna add some sauce. I'm sorry for the harsh lighting, but it's like the sun's going down, and this is just what it is in my kitchen. It's probably good. And more cheese. I don't think this is going to seal very well, but, you know, this is real life. This isn't a fake kitchen over here. I do have my oven preheated to 500 degrees with the pizza stone in it, so, yeah. Also, this dough, like, stuck to the paper. Ah! I'm sorry, my arm is... Okay, now we just gotta see if it will actually seal and not leak out. And I am just gonna put this in the oven like this, like on the parchment paper on the pizza stone. I'm not gonna try to slide it off. This looks better than I thought it would. So we're winning tonight. I think I'm gonna melt some butter and put a little garlic powder in it and spread it on the top. So we're gonna do that. Okay, I melted just like literally just a little tiny bit of butter and put some garlic powder on it, and we're gonna smear it on the top. Okay, that looks good. Just like making sure I get all of it out. And now I'm gonna make like tiny slits. Alright, I'm basically gonna cook it until it's like brown, till it looks done. I have no idea how long that is, because like I said, I'm like making this recipe up, so come along with me. Yeah. That thing looks good. Maybe that's a thumbnail. Yeah, that thing looks so good. Okay, should we cut into this? I think we should. I think we should try. This is not really the best knife for this, but... I'm just trying to figure out how to do this. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks so good. So we're eating outside again because it's super nice. Like tomorrow is supposed to be, I think, 30 degrees Fahrenheit. And today it's 85 degrees. So we're eating outside again. And Calvin got a pizza. I made him a pizza because he's a spoiled dog. Calvin, can you sit? That's good. Calvin will tell you the pizza's great, so. Jonathan. As you shove salad in your face, we have to take a pause here. I don't know how you're gonna eat it.
With my mouth?
I didn't know if we were gonna use that part. Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
Well, Calvin thinks it's good. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy our dinner and go have a nice night. And I'll see you guys in the next video.